To do the bent over dumbbell row, grab a pair of dumbbells and stand with your feet hip-width apart. Tighten your abs and glutes and get into the bent over position by pushing your hips back as if you're doing a Romanian deadlift. The starting position should look something like this. Your upper body is almost parallel to the ground, the dumbbells are close to your legs, abs are tight, and your hips and hamstrings are nicely loaded to take the tension off your lower back. From here, take a breath in and slowly pull the dumbbells up towards your lower ribs at a 45-degree angle, exhaling. Squeeze your back at the top as if you wanted to pinch a pencil between your shoulder blades. Then come all the way down, taking another breath in. Get a nice stretch at the bottom by allowing your shoulders to come forward. One thing to avoid is shrugging your shoulders. That's a very common mistake. Now, here are 2 simple tips that will help you work your back even better. Number 1. Focus on pulling with your elbows rather than your hands. This will prevent you from using your biceps too much. And tip number 2. Use a thumbless grip. Just think of your hands as hooks. Be careful though, because it's easier for the dumbbells to slip out of your hands and smash your foot or toes. I know the famous quote, "no pain, no gain," but I don't think it would apply here, so be careful. I hope it helps, guys. Check out the description to get my free training program for beginners and intermediate lifters, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.